Hello, my name is John Watts, and the question I want to address in this video is if you've been sued by a debt collector and you're thinking about filing bankruptcy, well, what's the danger of filing bankruptcy if you have equity in your home? Well, this is the danger. When you file bankruptcy, specifically Chapter 7 bankruptcy, then it's as if you come into court and say, here are all my debts. But you also have to come into court and say, here are all my assets, including your home. And so the job of the bankruptcy trustee is to take all of your debts and say, okay, we're going to get rid of these, but can I take some of these assets, sell them to pay off some of the debts or the liabilities? So if you have a house that has equity, let's say there's $50,000 in equity, $100,000 in equity, then that trustee will almost certainly say, you know what, let's at least try and sell the house. Because when he or she sells the house, they pay off the mortgage, and then, if there are any other liens, they'd pay those off. And then they're looking at, you would get a little bit of money out of it, but then they're looking at paying off the rest of your debts, the debts that would otherwise be discharged or done away with. And so that's the danger. Now you need to speak with a bankruptcy attorney specifically to say, okay, in my situation, here's what I think the value of my house is. I've got the tax assessed value, or I had an appraisal. Here's what I owe. Is there enough equity that you think the bankruptcy court would try and sell my house? Because remember, they also have to pay real estate commission. So that it's not just, is there any little equity in the house? It's got to be enough so that practically it makes sense. But you need to know that before you file bankruptcy. And if there's a significant danger, whatever that means to you, it might be 1% or it might be 20%, 50%. But if there's enough of a danger that it concerns you, then you may want to not do bankruptcy. And really, if you're sued by a debt collector, bankruptcy is very, very rarely the appropriate option. You can always consider it, and you're probably getting advertisement letters saying, hey, I filed bankruptcy, please hire me. You can certainly consider it, but just recognize the danger. Make sure when you ask an attorney about it that you say, hey, look, I own my house, it's worth this much, I owe this much. Is this a problem, this equity a problem? So I hope this is helpful to you. If it is, you can certainly watch more of our videos on our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our channel. You can share it if you found it helpful. And if you have questions, you can give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can go to alabamaconsumer.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day.